St. Tyson. And also, Michael Shane from ICC ISA. Pawadan, Rizal Wayne from St. Hermes. Rivera, Princess Carla P. from St. Anthony. Nunez, Queen Antoinette N. from St. Hermes. Caballero, Ana Patricia G. from St. Sebastian. Escondido, Precious Mutia from St. Anthony. Chavez Junior Boyer C. from St. Hermes. Redondo, Ronald Miguel E. from St. Isaac. Leader John Amelo from St. Gregory. Denise Lorraine M. Avalanche from St. Sebastian. Janine Joy from St. Helena. And Mark Adrian R. Ribon from St. Isidore. Again, our service award. Please give them